So guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm here in my dashboard of Fire Faucet. So this is a faucet where you can get free cryptocurrencies like Tron, USDT. So I'll just explain the website as much as I can. So as you can see here, this is my dashboard. This is my username all shown here. And if you want to edit your email, the email link to your account, you can press the settings button here. So and then this is your level. This is your current experience. So once you get enough experience, you progress to the next level. And anytime you get to a new level, you are going to get rewarded in Bitcoin. So as you can see here, next reward, 26 Bitcoin Satoshi. So that is that. So if you come down here again, you can see my rank for the day. I'm ranked 3,972. This is updated every 15 minutes by the site. So the top three people that have the most activity, they are going to be rewarded. So I'll just show you right now. So as you can see, this is my current rank. It has changed again because it has been updated again. So as you can see, the first place we get this amount of active auto claim points. So auto claim points are like the money in this website. They are like the monetary token in this website. So you can use them to get the cryptocurrency that you want. As you can see here, these are the top 10 users for today. The top has 105,000. So and then let's just go back to the dashboard so we can explain things better. So if you do complete all the tasks as much as possible, you are going to rack up enough auto claim points, enough activity points to get to number one. So let's continue. This is my activity points for the day. As you can see, just 710. That's how I'm ranked 3,986. So and these are the amount of claims I made today. I've not made any claim for today. So I'll talk more on the how to get the cryptocurrency that you want. So these are my auto claim points. As you can see here, these are my auto claim points. This is what I can convert this directly to any cryptocurrency I want, or I can use the auto faucet. I'll talk more on that as well later. So these are the ways you can use and earn auto claim points. As you can see here, this entire board here, you can use it to earn the auto claim points. So first of all, we have short links. Short links are like it will lead you to a third-party website where you complete a short link. You have to ignore some ads. You have to use your discretion properly. If not, you'll be able to complete the short link. So surveys, most of the time surveys are not available, so I don't really rely on them. I don't really expect them to come. This faucet is very reliable, as you can earn from there every 30 minutes. Just come back and roll the faucet. And these are the daily tasks that you have. Anytime you reach a daily task, you'll be rewarded. So and then we have the pay to click ads. So I'm going to use the PTC and the faucet as examples on how to gain auto claim points. So I'll explain the auto claim points later, but as you can see here, I have 4,095 auto claim points now. So once I complete these two, you see that it will increase. So as you can see, there's an ad here that you can click and get paid for and get 50 claims, as you can see here. So all you just need to do is just press visit site. So and as soon as you click it, you have to wait for this timer to finish loading. So once it loads, you just type in the captcha and you'll be giving your auto claim points. So this is the captcha here. Just complete that. So loading a bit slowly, but it will eventually go through. So as you can see, once you complete it, it will lead you to the website. So you just press back. And as you can see here, I've gotten the 50 auto claim points. So let me just go back to my dashboard. And as you can see here, I also got some activity points. If you notice back, if you pause and rewind the video, you know that it was 110 before. Now it has reduced to 190. It has reduced to 90. Sorry. because anytime you do this PTC, you're also going to get 20 activity. So there's a difference between activity and auto claim points. So you need activity to level up, but you need auto claim points to get the cryptocurrency that you want to get. So let's move to the auto claim points now. I said I will explain. So if you see here, you're going to see this small present box. So you can see I already claimed it for the day. Anytime that every new day you have to come back and claim it. They'll give you a random amount of auto claim points plus 10 to 14 activity every single day. So if you also come down here and let's talk about the auto claims. Now, as you can see here, choose the currency that you want to start the auto claim. So based on our strategy, we are going to be using Litecoin and Bitcoin. But you should know that the more cryptocurrency that you claim, that you tick to claim, the shorter time it will take for the auto claim to roll. And then if you want to know the best time to claim, you can check my next video. I'll release that on Saturday, so just make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and that you don't miss it, because at that moment on Sunday, there's a particular time on Sunday called happy hour. Anytime that you claim at that particular time, they will give you 50% bonus on your auto claims. So as you can see here, I'm selected Ethereum and Litecoin. I selected these two because based on our strategy, we are going to be using these to increase our bonuses so that we can reach the minimum balance to earn passively on the free LTC and the free BTC side. Free LTC and free ETH site. So if you just press start auto faucet here, so it will take us to a new window, as you can see. So it will show you all the details here. Currency selected, Ethereum and Litecoin. You can change it here. Next payout in this amount of seconds, and the auto claims remaining. So another thing I have to talk about here is the payout boost. This 4x. So normally by default it is set to 1x. That means you are going to your balance are going to be exhausted. That means your auto claims are going to be exhausted at the least time. But if you don't want this thing to roll for too long, you can select 4x. So I will explain that. Let's just let this first payout roll out, and then I will explain how to increase your payout boost. So 3 more seconds, and then we're going to check that out. So as you can see, I have successfully added this to my balances. So anytime that the thing rolls, after 1 minute, it's going to pay you directly to your wallet. I'll show you how to track everything to your wallet. So as you can see, I said that we talk about the payout boost. So let's go to settings. So by default it is set to 1x, but I set mode 4x because I don't want the faucet to roll for too long, because I don't want like it consuming my battery for too long. So all I have to do is just change this to 4x, and then just come down here and I press save settings. So my settings have been updated successfully. So and then we can now go back, and it reflects in your auto faucet. So if you continue down here, you can see that the site is very easy to use and it pays very well. So you said refer to your friends and earn 20% of all coins withdrawn by referrals. So as you can see, it's not as juicy as CoinPort, but it's still something as usual. So if you refer, anytime that your referral withdraws, you're going to get 20% of his balance. So that's that for this video, guys. So okay, finally let me explain the faucet before we go. So the faucets can be claimed every single 30 minutes, and as you can see here, they said you get random amount of ACP for every claim plus 10 activity points. So we just need to wait for this to load out. So before I continue, I must tell you that this particular this particular faucet, it has a lot of ads. Anytime I click, there's a chance that an ad will pop up. So as you can see here, there's an ad. So you just press back and you come back to the faucet. So just complete the faucet, the capture here, and press get reward. As you can see, another ad. So this is the only page that is loaded with ads. But if you want to remove this restriction, you can purchase the premium plan using your balances. So it depends on all on you. So I prefer not to use my balances on that because I think I can manage with the ads. So but if you can't, you can always look for the premium plan and take it. So as you can see here, my activity has reduced now from 90. I now need only 79. So the faucet removed 10 out of it, and then when I claimed it removed 1 out of it. So that is how it works. So anytime you reach a new level, you can press claim rewards here. So what I'm saying, guys, this has a lot of levels. They have a lot of levels here. So as you can see, anytime you get to a new level, you can claim a new amount of Satoshi. So as you can see, I've already reached level 8. So I can collect the reward here. So if I just press collect and successfully claimed reward for level 8. So that's how it goes, guys. So if you come down here again, you can see that they have a lot of levels here. So the more active you are on the site, the better for you. If you can stay active and complete all the short links, all the faucets, you can come back every 30 minutes. You can still get all these rewards. So you can see they have a lot of levels here. I think they have levels up to 1000. So you can see next page. So you can see they have a lot of levels. So it's a very good faucet in the long term, because the more you advance through levels, the more points you get, the more rewards you can get. So I'm eligible for level 7 again. So I'm going to press collect. So successfully claimed 22 Satoshi. So if you want to monitor how much you have currently, you can just press these 3 white lines here. These 3 lines. This one. So you just press the 3 lines and you can see here that everything that you need is here. You can go to the faucet directly from here. The offer words, the PTC ads, the membership. This is the premium membership I was telling you about. If you cannot cope with the ads, you can remove the ads on the faucet page plus other bonuses that you can do that all here with your wallet balances. So it depends on you. This can help you track your referrals and how many referrals you have. So and then this is your wallet balance. And if you click here, you see all your wallet balances so far. So I'll just show you some of mine. So as you can see, I have not withdrawn anything for today. So my total portfolio is worth this. And as you can see, I have a few Satoshi here. I don't have any other amount, but as I said, guys, we are going to be withdrawing from this. Anytime we reach the minimum withdrawal, we're going to withdraw it into our free Litecoin account, free Ethereum account. And anytime we reach the minimum balance on Litecoin, we're going to send it to our free Litecoin account, so we can get to the minimum balance that we can use to earn passively from the site. So if you want to set when you're about to withdraw, you have to come here and set all of your wallet addresses. So I'll advise you copy all your wallet addresses and then paste them here. As you can see, I already have my free Bitcoin account. I have my wallet here already. So same here, same for Ethereum, same for Dogecoin. So you can just come here and paste all your wallet addresses so that anytime you want to withdraw, you won't have issues again. So I think I have one more thing to show you on the wallet balance. Okay, so as you can also see here, you can convert from one cryptocurrency to another. So if you just press exchange here, you can see that you can convert from one coin to another. So as soon as it loads, I will. So as you can see, I can convert my Bitcoin to Litecoin and so on. So as you can see, it's going to measure it in US dollars. As you can see, if it says sell Bitcoin to get Litecoin, so you're going to interchange these balances anytime you want. So if you want to convert any of your balances, you're also free here. If you don't want to follow the strategy and you just want to put some coins inside your wallet account, just come here and press exchange to the coin you want, and it will exchange that for you. So finally, I want to say that you can convert directly. If you don't want to run the auto faucet, you can convert your balances directly. You can convert directly to whichever of the crypto you want to convert to. So you can see convert ACP to crypto. So if you click that, what I just click right now, I can just press back and show you guys. If you click convert here on your auto claim points, you can automatically convert to any cryptocurrency you want, although it will take away fees. So as I said guys, if you want to know the best way to use your ACP, check out my next video when I drop it on Saturday, so when I drop it on Sunday, so that you know the best way to convert all your balances and get the best out of this faucet. So that's it for this video guys. So please leave me a like and share the video with a friend that wants to start earning free cryptocurrencies. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.